Welcome, my name is a Doogee X80 and today I will show you how to put the device into recovery mode. Now to get started, let's hold the power key, select power off. Once the device shuts off, you want to hold the power key and volume up. So both of the keys at the same time, power, volume up. And as you can see, there is a recovery mode. Give it a moment and it should go further. There we go. As you can see, we're now in recovery mode. Now in this mode you will use volume keys to navigate. Volume down goes down and up goes up, and power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. And from here you can simply reboot the device, reboot the bootloader, apply updates, wipe data, wipe cache partitions, run system view logs, run tests, and simply power off the device. So that is basically all you can do here. Now to leave it, I'm gonna select reboot system now, and like I said, confirm that with power key. And now the device will go back to the Android system. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.